In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a sales tax summary report in Xero. This walkthrough will show you exactly how to pull a clear snapshot of your sales tax activity for a specific reporting period, so you can review totals with confidence and get ready for filing. First, sign into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the reporting section. This is where Xero keeps the financial and tax reports you'll use for reviews and filings. From the list of available reports, choose Sales Tax Report. This report is designed to compile your sales and purchase tax activity in one place. When the Sales Tax Report opens, make sure you're viewing the Sales Tax Summary tab. The summary view gives you the high-level totals you need for most filing situations without drilling into line-by-line transaction detail. Staying on this tab keeps things concise and focused. Next, set your date range. Start by selecting the From Date, then choose the To Date. Pick the dates that match your tax filing period, monthly, quarterly, or annual, so the report aligns with what you'll submit to your tax authority. The report will include transactions that fall within this window, based on how they're recorded in Xero. After your dates are set, click Update. Xero will refresh the report to reflect the period you selected. This step ensures you're looking at the most current figures for the exact range you need. Now, review the sales tax summary results. You should see totals that break out tax collected on sales and tax paid on purchases, typically grouped by tax rate or tax type. Look for the net amount. This is often the difference between tax on sales and tax on purchases, indicating what you owe or may be due as a refund. Scan for amounts that seem unusually high or low compared to prior periods, and keep an eye on any tax rates that are new or rarely used, as those can affect your totals. Take a moment to check the reporting period details shown on the report. Confirm the From and To dates at the top, and verify that the report's currency and labeling match your expectations for the filing period. This quick verification helps prevent filing the wrong range. If you need to share or archive the results, use the export or print options. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF for a clean copy or a spreadsheet format if you want to analyze further, and save or print as needed. That's it! You've generated a sales tax summary report in Xero to review tax activity for your selected reporting period.